Hello, I'm going to show you how to install and use RFXCOM GetX. You need to download it at the GitHub page on the bottom. You have a block with the install instruction. Just copy it. As pre-required, you need to have Python 3 and the Git you just passed here. That's download file, create a virtual environment, and download the necessary prerequisite, Python prerequisite. So now it works, you can use it directly. When you use it, it asks you the port that your airfix is connected. So I select it, it initializes it and asks me to push on my remote. So I will open my gate. Let's go. As you can see, I've received the raw hex input. You have decode the data and create a raw output to open it again. So he asked me a name. I will say gate. He create two file. We will show after. Do you want to try to send it again? I say yes to try, and it will close my gate. Okay, now I don't have any device more. Okay, so you can show gate fix. This file is to be used with the Windows program official from Airfix team to send the raw packet if you want to try. But the more interesting thing is this one. Oops, sorry, not this one. This one. This you can use it as you want with different software, but you can use it normally using a Home Assistant. You can try it with a service called RFX Send and you paste it. You can create a card that's called a service and you just put your data and everything works fine. Okay, and now what's happened if you don't have the RFX COM device connected to your computer? You can do it. You just have to look at the help. Okay, I will try again. Add no file to don't create a file. I want more repeat because sometimes it doesn't work for some device. Try to grow the repeat and I will add the external sources. So I give the input row. Okay, here, and it's okay. That's the same. You have got the same code, but with more repeat time. Okay, I hope it will help you and see you next time. Goodbye.